Service to humanity is service to God. It is this firm and enduring commitment to improving the lives of the underprivileged, weak, and deprived citizens that drives the hundreds of selfless monks who form Bharat Sevashram Sangh, a registered charitable and philanthropic organization. It was in 1917 that founder and world teacher Acharya Swami Pranavananda Maharaj envisioned the Sangh as a brotherhood of monks knit together with a common vision to organize scattered individuals and form a social power. Today, nearly 90 years on, his disciples work tirelessly with a twofold objective: self-realization and service to humanity. Headquartered in Kolkata, India, Bharat Sevashram Sangh has nearly 100 centers across 16 states in India, with centers in Bangladesh, Nepal, Fiji, the United Kingdom, Canada, United States of America, South America, and the Caribbean. The Sangh has initiated several missions to East African states, Malaysia, and Indonesia, among other countries. Bharat Sevashram Sangh is recognized by the Government of India as an institution of national importance and as an established voluntary agency for tribal welfare. The Sangh's activities include disaster relief, education, healthcare, and indigenous people welfare. The organization is supported by thousands of dedicated monks, selfless workers, and volunteers, devotees and disciples, all of whom, driven by a search for truth and service to mankind, find fulfillment in the philosophies and the activities of the Sangh. The Sangh's first disaster relief projects can be traced to 1921. A large network of volunteers enables the Sangh to respond promptly and effectively to disasters like floods, earthquakes, and other calamities. The tsunami 2004 left in its wake widespread damage and devastation. Bharat Sevashram immediately responded, launching massive relief operations. Cooked and dry food was distributed through the free food programs. A rehabilitation drive was launched and low-cost houses were constructed free of cost. Medical relief services and essentials such as clothing, blankets and tarpaulins were also distributed. Training and income generation programs enabled the affected to be financially independent. The Sangh has assisted in relief operations for the Bengal famine, Midnapore cyclone, Noakhali riot, Bihar flood, Maharashtra earthquake, among others. Our relief activities also extend to voluntary relief and social welfare during festivals and big fairs in centers like Kumbh Mela, Gaya, Varanasi, and Hardwar, among others. The Sangh also provides service at times of political unrest. Cooked and dry food is distributed through the free food programs with a single purpose: to bring relief to the poor and the distressed. Guyana is a struggling third world country with excessive migration to America and other developed countries. There is lack of proper health care and nutrition. Illiteracy and alcoholism, together with lack of birth control, is causing woes to the people. Bharat Sevashram, in collaboration with other NGOs like Sukram Humanitarian Foundation, is coming to the rescue of these neglected and disadvantaged masses. Service to the sick and the ailing forms a core area of our operations. Spread over the country, about 100 branches and 300 sub-centers maintain hospitals and charitable dispensaries in urban and rural areas, bringing the much-needed resources to the weakest sections of society. Mobile medical dispensaries reach out to the remotest parts of the country. Leprosy, eradication and rehabilitation programs also form a focus with the Sangh, active in the field since 1981. The Sangh maintains several hospitals and eradication centers. A leprosy colony has been established, and our leprosy rehabilitation program has assisted over 350 patients rehabilitate into society. Tuberculosis camps are organized offering free treatment and medicines. A cancer care unit at Vashi, Mumbai accommodates 200 beds and offers specialized consultation, chemotherapy day care center and a home for cancer patients. The unit cared for 2,000 patients in 2004-2005. Seva Niketans provide free accommodation, free transportation to the Tata Hospital and subsidized canteen facilities, and have assisted over 6,500 patients till date. Our ongoing projects include a non-profit and charitable state-of-the-art hospital accommodating 500 beds at Kolkata, India. Conveniently located on the National Highway, the hospital will deliver quality and critical healthcare facilities, active in the field of research and training as well. The hospital is being developed in 3 phases, with the final phase projected to be complete by 2011. A state-of-the-art hospital in Ghatshila, Jharkhand, has also been planned, accommodating 600 beds, and is expected to be complete in 4 years. At Bharat Sevashram Sangh, we believe that the spread of education in rural and semi-urban areas is crucial to the development of the nation. The Sangh runs more than 100 institutions in the country, including primary and secondary schools, junior and high schools, and colleges. The focus is on a holistic approach, academic education imparted in harmony with moral and spiritual teachings, building a powerful nation. We have over 30,000 children in schools throughout India. The Bharat Sevashram Sangh maintains the Women's College at Dimapur, Nagaland, the first women's college in Nagaland that provides education to Nagas and non-Nagas at the same college. Quality and value-based education is being imparted to over 1,200 girls. In a country that is in political turmoil, Pranavananda Bhavan, a branch of the Bharat Sevashram Sangh, provides solace to Nepalis, especially the boys aging from 4 years to upper teens. They are from the streets, poor homes, and from remote villages. Now the ashram provides free basic needs, education, and character-building processes like yoga and meditation, devotional worship, and music. Its education is in lines with the government school system. Plans are in place for graduating these boys to continue their education in universities in China. India is home to over 100 diverse tribes who have faced the indignity of caste discrimination for centuries. Our tribal welfare program is an extensive initiative covering areas of education, health, and income generation for tribal communities in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Gujarat. The Sangh operates a multi-speciality free hospital at Barajori Ashram, the only medical facility within an area of 12,000 square kilometers. The hospital has cared for 548 patients and has recently introduced an ambulance service extending its geographical reach. The ashram also runs a charitable dispensary, 4 mobile medical units at 64 locations provide healthcare facilities to 200,000 people under the Government of India's Grant in Aid program. The Sangh runs 17 free day schools, providing each of the 1,557 pupils with midday meals, uniforms, shoes, books, and stationery. Computer training programs have also been initiated for tribal students. Our income generation programs reflect our belief that social equity is impossible without economic empowerment. The Sangh is active in providing vocational training and skill upgradation, leading to sustainable development opportunities. The Agro-Horticulture Project and the Model Demonstration Farm imparts training to local farmers, helping them derive maximum yield from their meager resources. Extreme poverty forces many tribals to live in appalling conditions in structures made of leaves and mud. The Sangh initiated a home reconstruction project that provides families with solid cement structures consisting of one room, a porch, and basic amenities. Bharat Sevashram Sangh actively participates in events and programs that promote religious tolerance and a platform to better understanding of the ideals of the Sangh. Last year, the Sangh continued to cross borders and to reach out to different parts of the world. Sangh monks participated in interfaith conferences and also had the opportunity of distributing food to Iraqi refugees in Syria. The Sangh found solace with the Armenian Church and its people during its conferences with different segments of the community, including youths. Japan proved to be a building ground for the ideals and the ideas of the Sangh, as religious and spiritual leaders were in attendance at the World Peace Conference in Kyoto, Japan. The Sangh continues its harmony outreach by showing its love and brotherhood to the people of Casarano, Italy. A Sangh monk frequently attends and speaks at the United Nations in New York and has gained affiliation with many UN departments. More than 400 monks and thousands of volunteers provide their services. As such, approximately 6 to 10% of your donations is spent towards their basic needs and administration. Rest assured that 90% of every dollar is going towards the needy and the unfortunate and to other humanitarian services by the ashram. Bharat Sevashram Sangh acknowledges the support from hundreds of devotees, donors, government and corporate, all of whom have been invaluable in the realization of our projects. The Sangh runs on the ideas and the ideals of the Sangh Lord, Srimad Swami Pranavananda Maharaj. His 10 commandments, realized through extreme penance, guides Bharat Sevashram to work for the economically and the physically handicapped, the underprivileged and the downtrodden people of society.
कल्मषग्नि करुणामृत सागरा अखिलांड कोटि